So we are going to be designing the OPay logo using Pixellab. This is a great app for designing. Alright, so firstly I'm going to change the background color to white so that our work can be very visible. Alright, now bring out a shape and select the circle shape. Yeah, I'll be changing the color to that kind of green, but I'm not okay with all this green. So if you're in that situation, worry less. Here is what you are going to do. Alright, let's quickly recap. This is what we are doing, and this is the color I really need. So we are going to be working with this sample. So I'm going to hide it and we continue. Alright, so what do we do? Change the background. Don't use this default background. It's not looking well. It's not looking good. Alright, bring out your shape, which is circle. Next thing, click on that plus sign and we are going to be typing the color code. This is the color code. You can screenshot or write it down for reference purpose. Alright, let's continue. So click OK, and here we have the color that we are looking for. Another method you can do is to simply use the color picker to pick the particular color you want from a sample. Alright, and you still get what you want, the color. So let's continue. Alright, let me size it to the middle. Now look at the color we are working with. You can see that it rhymes and it matches everything. So we are going to continue. Alright, click on the plus sign again, bring another circle shape, and this time around just leave it as white for the middle, and I'm going to arrange it to properly fit in the middle. Now you can use this arrow shape to actually place it well or direct it to properly sit in the middle of the design. Alright, make sure it properly fits in. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that's it. Now we are going to pick this first circle and this second circle, and we are going to click on this and merge it so it has become one. They are all movable together. It has been merged already. Now the next thing we are going to be doing, okay, this is what we are working with. Let's bring it up so that it won't go down and we will be able to look at it. I designed this one using Canva, so this is the Pixellab edition. Yeah, now we see that the remaining part is this square side, so we are going to be picking a square shape. And okay, firstly a white square shape, so we are going to be making use of color white. to demarcate, yeah, and that is it. Please always arrange your work properly, as it makes the design stand out. It makes the design stand out. If your work is not perfectly arranged, no matter how expert you are, it won't be good. Yeah, it's okay like this. Lovely. So I'll be copying this and changing the color using the color picker. This is the color I want, so that's it. Alright, you can also use this color code if you can't operate with the color picker. Write down the color code X, red, green and blue, or screenshot it and insert it into the shape. Now press OK and we are good to go. You have to arrange this one carefully also in the middle. Yeah, you can use your arrow key to also move and adjust. Now we've successfully made our OPay logo. We are going to be deleting this sample. Alright, so this is the logo. This is the OPay logo. Save as image. You can also save as project so that you can come back to it later. But once you save as image, it will automatically be in your gallery. So that is it. You can do well to replicate this OPay logo. Like and subscribe. Bye.